Now that the roof deck has been properly prepared, let's flash the valley. The low-lying area or valley where the roof planes intersect is highly vulnerable to water penetration. You need to protect against this with an open, closed, or woven valley application. For optimal roof performance, ICO strongly recommends open metal valleys. Center a 36-inch wide strip of ice and water protector membrane in the valley. Temporarily tack into place with nails along one edge. Carefully peel away the backing, position the membrane, then smooth out any wrinkles. Work your way up the roof, installing additional pieces to overlap by at least 6 inches. Remove the temporary nails. We recommend using a minimum 28-gauge pre-finished galvanized metal or similar non-standing material as flashings, but check local codes. It must be at least 24 inches wide. Next, center the metal flashings in the valley, nailing at the edges only. Fasten it with just enough nails to hold it in place. Overlap each metal piece by at least 6 inches and use asphalt plastic cement under each section of overlap. Snap 2 chalk lines the full length of the valley, 6 inches apart at the top, 3 inches on each side of the valley's center line, and increasing in width 1/8 of an inch per foot toward the bottom toward a maximum of 8 inches apart. When you're applying the shingles, lay them over the valley flashing. Trim the ends to the chalk line and nail the shingles at least 2 inches back from the chalk line. Cut a 2-inch triangle off the top corner to direct water into the valley and embed the valley end of each shingle into a 3-inch band of asphalt plastic cement. You've done a great job prepping the roof deck and protecting the valleys with flashing.